picking that bait? Kissing each other now. Quite a mouth on it. That is quite deep, yeah.
Oh no,
no, it's bigger. It's definitely better.
Put the scales through there if you want.
Hmm?
You put the scales through there?
Nah, see, he'll do the netting.
You haven't had a run for a little while. Give me a sec.
Nice fish.
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give you the camera as well, so Adrian, just get that in. You go where the rods are, sweetheart.
Hmm?
Go that way there. Yeah, stand in the middle there. That's it. Oh, you got that.
Still a minute for the big one.
Oh, grassy.
You're not? Seriously?
It's the long one.
So you've got 1 in 100 chance.
It seems so.
Yeah, eventually they take it on the drop.
It's a splash where it cracks them, isn't it? And this, because we've got a lot deeper here, so he's playing on the rock bit. It's quite dark.
Oh, you've got one of the fish. You got one of the better ones. Adrian joined the Love Club.
It's about time I caught one.
The owner catches a decent fish at last.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This may be a photograph.
I'll just do this first.
Oh, that's a better one.
Oh. Yeah, that is a nice fish. Was that 36.5 after you zeroed down?
No.
So it's about 34.
Camera. On for that. On for there.
Okay.
See the big scales around the back? It's like just like the bigger one, it's darker in colour.
Good scrap though, isn't it? It's good boy.
Oh, get that net. Get that net.
Oh no.
One high.
Flash down.
I think it's the big one as well.
That's the biggest one,
I
isn't
think
it?
it's the biggest one. At least we'll get something exactly what we wanted now. We get the photograph we want. I'm hoping. Scales all there, aren't they? There's no scale missing. That's the bigger one, which is the 45.
I think you should bring it back off the lake.
Eh?
I think you should bring them back a bit.
What's that? So I'm trying to get there. Right, do one each, mate, it's easier. You sure? I'll tell you what, you ain't done a lot. It's about 40 pound 8 ounces now. Yeah.
I hope that's not the biggest one.
Well, it's going to be a handful when anyone catches that now.
Well, they are feisty this time of the year, aren't they?
Come on, baby. Up you come.
Got any other hook holds in his mouth or anything like that? Joe ain't had that, has he?
Yeah, guess what, Richard? He
Joe's caught it once.
Has he?
Yeah, because he told Adrian he caught it.
I just had a 35 and the other one went and he landed that on mine.
It's actually very clean in the mouth, mate. Very clean.
It's alright, mate. Give her a little breather.
Curtain's totally intact still, so give indications they're not too many times been caught.
I might have caught him earlier, or one of them. There must have been two of them out over there, already.
So how many of these went in?
There was
There's supposed to
two
be a real
definite
big.
big
There's supposed to be a 43 and a 45 went in.
Well, that could be the 43.
Which means it's done the opposite to all the smaller fish, which is